Hi everyone, I'm Mihaela Plesa. I currently work for Frantz Medical Therapeutics and also for VasoStar. They're two separate companies, all under the umbrella of Frantz Medical Group. We have Frantz Medical Therapeutics has currently three phase 2 trials of topical agents for HPV-associated disease in an effort to avoid surgeries. Different body size. And VasoStar is our device part of Frantz Medical Group, and we're currently carrying out an early feasibility study for new cardiac catheter. All of our studies are decentralized, although we do quite a bit in-house, so we just only have partial outsourcing. From my early days in academia, I've brought over a lot of experience with having NIH-sponsored trials, investigator-initiated trials. Also, I was on the other side of industry-funded trials, so I have a pretty good understanding of just how things are and how outsourcing is done depending on your context. For example, for an NIH-funded study, you try to find as much of what you need internally at the institution, and you have to have a pretty good plan of what's going to happen when you write your grant submission. And about a year later, when your project gets funded, and most likely with a significant cut, you will have to figure out what needs to be cut and yet still carry out the different endpoints, study endpoints. So it is a challenge, but in today's day and age, the way Harsha was mentioning, I guess no matter where you work and where your context is, whether it's for the sponsor or for a site, we all have to stretch our dollar quite a bit. And that's how we came across Jeeva, and we're using it for our 3 phase 2 trials. And the early feasibility study is still very early on, but most likely will be our 4th project.